Urea is the lifeline to the farmers of Telangana because of urea the crop and yielding will be good. In Telangana, farmers are very much inclined to use urea. But Government of India allotted 9 lakh metric tons of urea to Telangana, but it has released only 5 lakh metric tons of urea till now, as against their allotment. Our Chief Minister Revant Reddy has come along with MPs. We met Mr. Nadda ji, Chemicals Fertilizer Minister, to release immediately the remaining 3 lakhs metric tons of urea, but till now they have not released. That is why all Congress Party MPs of Telangana have given adjournment motion and also 0-hour notice. Both we have given only with a view to raise the urgent issue in the House. If they are not going to give, if the House is not going to run, then we all MPs will meet Nadda ji and request and demand to release immediately 3 lakhs of urea immediately to Telangana state. This is injustice done to Telangana. BJP government intentionally not releasing the urea. Some of the BJP leaders or BJP president of Telangana is giving statement. Government of India has already released the amount which is allotted, but he doesn't know the real facts. We are showing that clearly, month-wise, how much is committed, how much is released. We will send it to the BJP president also. That is why we are not asking extra urea. We are asking what they have allotted must be immediately released. Otherwise, the farmers of Telangana will go for hesitation. This hesitation is not only for urea, it will be against BJP government.